What's up guys, Aaron's here. We are doing a quick video because I picked up my M2 Max 14-inch MacBook Pro. Now this is the new one that just came out, met at Apple Store here. I'm TDY, so the environment looks a little weird. I'm in a hotel for some training that I'm doing here for the Army. But when you have this sexy machine, we have to do something and we have to protect it. Now again, because I do kind of, the bags and the environment I'm in, it's a little rougher. Again, I wouldn't take this out to the field per se or anything like that. But pretty much, I'm recording this on my phone. I have Supcase products. Now, I purchased this from Supcase. They didn't send this to me. Again, I always do give honest reviews. I'm never going to be biased. But I love their products, man. It really is a legit thing. So this is the 2021 one. It's supposed to fit the MacBook 14.2 inch, no changes. So we're going to check it out, use it for little days, do a little unboxing and get into it. So let's check it out. All right, so let's get this thing open. Again, we're not gonna do anything crazy. And again, first feel of it, man, it feels good. Again, I think it was like $34.99 is what I paid for it. Got the installation guide here. Sounds good. Curious to how well there's probably an easier way to open this. Hopefully it comes across good. So we'll check this out. I'll get this on here. But yeah, so it's clear, it's plastic. My cases I use on my phone, they last really well. They don't scratch up too bad, to be honest. They've been lasting. So, and again, this is important for the heat mitigation here. I was a little worried about that, so I'm curious to how well that has. We got the branding. Again, man, I've been using their products for years now. They send me a lot of stuff, but I did purchase this with my own money. Connect the top half of the case. There you go. All right, so let's get this thing on. Now, I am going wide angle if you wonder why, maybe it looks a little bit here, but so it clips on. Sounds pretty solid. Oh, damn, that's not bad. That was my fault though. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Okay, yeah, it's clipping on a little bit. So just got pushed down a little bit. Connect the top half. Okay, again, we should be getting here. See how we're clipping it on here. Okay, here it's snapping in. It seems like a good fit. Seems like a perfect fit here. Okay, we will go ahead and pull this. With editing, we always make it pull well, right? All right, so we have this beautiful clear case. You can see a perfect reflection of my outlets in the reflection here. Okay, MacBook Pro. Again, it feels really good. It does add a little bit more weight to it, but it feels really solid still. All right, let's open this thing up here. See how you do. Again, it looks really good. So yeah, if you're trying to see the edges, it's a good solid fit on there. I don't want to put fingerprints, but yeah, so far, so pretty good. So I'm gonna use it for a few days and then give you guys my honest thoughts, like always. So let's get into it. All right, guys, I have been using the Supcase MacBook Pro. This is for the 14-inch hard, durable, clear case for 2 weeks now. So you can see the condition it's in. I mean, again, I don't see any scratches or anything. Again, it's just fingerprints. I give it a quick wipe sometimes. It definitely gets some notice in class. Again, I'm in a military TDY setting. That's why I'm in a hotel. But people kind of come by and like, oh, what's this case that you got on? Because, everybody has kind of different style cases. So they actually ask me, like, where did you get this clear case? And so I get a plug, Supcase. Because, again, like I said, I do a lot of work. They send me a lot of stuff to do reviews on. But I actually bought this one again, honest reviews. Again, I think it retails about $36.99, $34.99 right now on Amazon. I'll drop the link here. But I definitely recommend it, man. It opens up very nice. Again, you saw the condition of it after 2 weeks of pulling it in and out of my book bag. Now I do have like a 1000D Cadora. So if you know about that, it's pretty tough material, but again, it looks great. If you guys want a longer term review, just stay tuned, check it out. But we throw some B-roll footage. If you see me using it, it does get a lot of attention. But yeah, thanks guys for checking out the video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like it. If you got any questions or anything, let me know. I'll be trying to follow up. Be sure to follow me on Instagram too. You can kind of see the MacBook in action on day to day. So thanks guys, take it easy. Peace.